the first thing you need to do is you need to get you a Trustworthy Bible. Now, for purposes of today and what I tell people, I recommend essentially 4 translations. Number one, I recommend the New American Standard version. So the New American Standard Bible, NASB, and that's probably your most literal. Like I said before, you've got the ESV, the English Standard Version, and that's a little bit easier of a read. Then you have the King James. If you love the King James, hey, I love the King James, and I think that the poetry and the wording of the King James it will never be surpassed as far as its beauty. It's beauty. So then you have the New King James, and that's just a modernized version of the Old King James. I would recommend those 4 Bibles. Now, some people like the NIV. It's more of a thought for thought rendering, so I'm a little less excited about it. But hey, I know people who've come to Christ by reading an NIV Bible. So let's say there's 4 that I prefer, 5 I'm okay with, and then anything beyond that, New Living Translation or the Message Bible on the far end of the spectrum, those are okay as long as you read them in context and as long as you understand that these are thought for thought. So it might not be the exact words that were recorded. So you want to make sure that you read those in parallel with a Bible translation that is a little bit more literal.